Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.